Video number 3. Understanding vertical video. Vertical video trend. One study found that more than 75% of video viewing is mobile, so the rise of vertical video isn't necessarily a surprising one. Not only that, but smartphone users hold their phones vertically about 94% of the time. Social media has played a big role in the way to record and view video. As mentioned, YouTube is an exception to this rule, but with YouTube Shorts, it is no longer. However, when you add Snapchat, Instagram, and Facebook, especially when it comes to stories, to the equation, you'll see an uptick in vertical video. More than 7 billion videos are viewed on Snapchat daily, with the majority being filmed vertically. The rise of vertical video can partially be traced back to the 2011 launch of Snapchat. It allows users to take pictures and videos on their phones, share it with friends, which then immediately disappear. The platform really exploded in 2013 with the implementation of their Stories function, which allowed users to string together longer content that would stay on their page for 24 hours before disappearing. Instagram then followed suit in 2016, adding Stories to its platform. Facebook, which owns Instagram, jumped on the Stories bandwagon in 2017. What qualifies vertical videos? A vertically oriented is the one that is taller than wider. It takes up the entire screen on the phone, focusing on the user's full attention on the played video. Not to mention that smartphones' design forces you to hold them vertically. A vertical video is a video made in portrait mode and has a 9:16 aspect ratio. Vertical videos are taller in height than they are in width, the ideal dimensions being 1080 by 1920 pixels. Important things to keep in mind. 1. The growth of mobile. Mobile is now the most popular device for web users. Currently, 52% of the global web traffic comes from mobile devices. 2. Social audiences are mainly mobile. Social media is predominantly mobile with 80% usage. For example, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and YouTube removed black bars on vertical videos in 2017 to provide mobile users with a better experience. 3. The stats speak volumes. Vertical videos attract almost 4 times more engagement than square videos on Facebook and 2.5 times more on Twitter. Facebook vertical video ads, in particular, were the most memorable to consumers, with 3 to 9 point increase in ad recall. 4. It fits with user habits. Almost 70% of users don't rotate their phone when viewing a horizontal ad, and of those, only 14% watched the whole ad. In contrast, video ads presented in vertical view were completed 90% of the time. 5. It allows for experimentation. Vertical video is a relatively new format, hence open for experiments. Advertisers can use different filming techniques like split-screen stacking to make the most of vertical space. 6. It makes the best use of a mobile screen. Horizontal videos only use 25% of the phone's screen. Unless users rotate, and we already know that many don't, then 75% is wasted. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video lesson.